Welcome back, everyone. So last week you may have noticed that I didn't have a video. With finals and everything going on, I just didn't have the time to film, let alone find a subject to film. So as much as I didn't want to, I took a break. But I am back this week with a few things I want to go over. I was hoping to have my little upgrades for performance ready to go, but with shipping delays and things like that, the parts didn't arrive on time. So I'm going to go over the parts I have coming, and I'm going to go over a few things I did in my car in the past day or so, just to let you guys know what's going on. So, up first, I felt kind of spontaneous yesterday, so I decided to clay bar my entire car and remove the badges off the trunk. I don't know why, I just felt like doing it. But this time, instead of going for the traditional clay bar, I decided to try out a clay mitt. So I picked one up from Chemical Guys in San Diego. It looks similar to a wash mitt. Got microfiber on that side, synthetic clay on this side, which is different from the clay that you use normally. This mitt is pretty cool because say you drop it on the ground, you can just rinse it off, everything comes right off. Versus a clay bar, if it drops, you're done, it goes in the trash. Also, being able to wash off comes in very handy, as if your car is very neglected, I want to say. You can use it, rinse it off, and then keep going, and it helps stop scratching your paint, things like that. If you're not familiar with clay barring your car, it's very simple. All you do is wash your car first, make sure all the big grime and dirt and things like that are off, and then you're going to want to take the clay mitt or clay bar, whichever one you prefer to use, and slowly just go over the car in each spot until it feels glassy afterwards. When you're doing that, you probably want to use the clay luber. It helps lubricate the paint, prevent scratches, things like that. The two paired up together are about $58. The clay mitt is reusable, like I said, so it lasts a few solid detailings. But yeah, let's check out the paint a little bit. So we got glassy finishes on both sides. You can see my brother's car on my paint. That's pretty impressive if you ask me. There it is right there. The biggest change right here was this lip. A lot of dirt settles here because it's horizontal and on the rear. So that was probably the most satisfying thing I've ever done, is taking that off. But it looks pretty damn good if you ask me now. And then after that, I finished up with the Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Wax. I did go over this in one of the recent videos. I love the product. It really just makes your car shine even more. It also adds that hydrophobic property to the paint so that the water will kind of just run off. So definitely recommend both. If you have time, or if you're looking to wash your car or anything like that, be sure to check out both. It'll make your car just look incredible. So yeah, I recommend that. Up next, performance mods. Unfortunately, some of the parts didn't arrive on time, but I did order NGK spark plugs that are a step cooler than what I'm currently running. That's what didn't arrive on time. And then I also have these here, the Delphi ignition coils. I read the forums, this was recommended, pick these up. So those are gonna go in next. I never upgraded them before I tuned the car, which was maybe a mistake. I never got misfires though, so I figured might as well just do it now. As I do plan to start moving up in the tunes, stage 2 or so. So the next big upgrade will be a front mount intercooler. I have been checking out the VRSF 5-inch stepped, as well as a 7-inch. I'm probably gonna stick with the 7-inch, as if I do go with bigger turbos in the future, it'll just be more convenient overall, and it's not even that much more expensive. So the only thing I'm worried about is pressure loss, having something so big and having stock turbo still. So if you guys have any information on that or recommendations, be sure to let me know. Hit me down in the comments. But yeah, next week I'll have a video installing a few parts, all that. So be sure to follow me on social media. Hit that subscribe button, please. Hit me with any questions, comments, recommendations, anything like that. And I appreciate you checking out the video. I'll see you all next time.